Brian O'Bannon here at Morton Buildings, and let's take another moment. But this time I want to talk to you about Morton's exclusive concrete splashboard. And this is something that has been around for a little bit, but for this area is absolutely brand new 2 months ago, and it's an amazing product. Now you may already know about our concrete column system, which basically is right there. But what you don't know about probably is our new concrete splashboard right here. So down here on this particular surface towards the bottom of the building, we put a splashboard down there, and normally it's a treated lumber, so that way moisture and weather and that kind of stuff, you know, doesn't rot it away immediately. Of course, we all know that nothing lasts forever, but concrete does a really good job at that though. And that's exactly why we have taken and manufactured our very own exclusive concrete splashboard, so you no longer have to worry about termites, weathering, moisture, or any of that thing now. This is sitting down here in the dirt, and it's going to be fine for a very long time. Not to mention, has a warranty on it nobody else offers. That's it for this edition of Morton Moments. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and come back next time. We have a whole lot more for you.